Hey, this is Chris, just making you a really quick video to show you a really cool strategy with personalizing your post-it notes. So we're actually sending out a direct mail campaign, direct mail letter to the new Auto Teleseminar customers. And so what I wanted to do is add a post-it note on the letter. So I started handwriting them, personalizing them, signing them. And after a while, it got really time consuming. So I figured out, hey, you know what? There's got to be a way on Word that I can mail merge and print out all these post-it notes. And so here is actually what I came up with. So rather than handwriting it, here is the personalization. It says, "Hey Luke, here's the text I have here. It's a handwritten script." And here's another one, same thing, no personalization. And actually, I signed it with a blue ink. And so the end product looks like this. We post it on here. And so the reason for the post-it note is it increases readership, has a call to action, but also adds some personality in the actual letter. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do it on Word, how to set it up on your printer, and how to really print out in mass post-it notes for you and to send out to your customers or prospects. So let's hop to the computer here and I'm going to show you how to set this up.
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to open up Word. I tried to do this in Mac Pages, but for some reason it won't allow you to create records, multiple records on one page. It actually creates them on separate pages. So go ahead and open up a new blank document, and I just typed in here in Help, Mail Merge, and open up Mail Merge Manager. I guess it's under Tools and Mail Merge Manager. Okay, so I have it open here. What you want to do is you want to create, actually go to Labels, okay? And so I've actually created a template already, and so I'll give you the details here, or actually the inches and the heights and the width and all the stats and specs for it. So go ahead and click Create New Label, and it's going to pull this up. So if you want to just give it a template name, Post-it notes or whatever, here is the margins, the heights, all the numbers that you need to create your Post-it note template. Post 0.4, this is important, 2.5, the label width 2.63, or you can just do 2.7. Vertical pitch, this is really important because this is the padding between each Post-it note, and that's 3.5, 3.5. Numbers across 2, numbers down 3, and make sure it's on an 8.5 by 11. And so click OK. It's going to create a custom kind of template. And so here's mine, Post-it template. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to create it here. And so the next step, what we want to do is we want to go to our source, right? So here's my Excel spreadsheet, and these are some of the customers. And so here's their city, here's their first name, and this is the source we're going to personalize on these Post-it notes. So make sure you have that source kind of created first. We're going to go ahead and go to Get List. We're going to open Data Source. Here's that CSV, and now we can actually start creating our sample label. So we'll put, hey, first name. I'm, thanks for signing up. Thanks for signing up. And have a great time in, let's see, whatever their city is, right? Well, that should be fine. Thanks for signing up. We'll just do that. Okay, so you can put your name there if you want to do that, or if you want to hand sign it, don't put your name, and just include whatever message you want. And so next we want to do is go to Edit. I'm going to go to Select All, and now I want to actually change our font. And so the one I like is P. Dine Michael. I think that's it. And so right now it's pretty small. We're just going to open this up to blow that up to 20. So as you can see, it's new record. These are new records for it. So okay, so now what we want to do is go to Complete Merge, step 6, and go to Merge to New Documents. And so it should create about 20 something Post-it note little templates here. And so as you can see, it's Luke, Jack, Loretta, Samuel, Kevin. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and print this. And the reason you want to print this is we need that template that we need that template to overlay the Post-it notes on the piece of paper so we know where the printer will be printing the actual text. So I'm just going to go ahead and create, print out one of these, and we'll just go ahead and print that out.
All right, so we're back. So I printed out the sheet here. As you can see, it says, "Hey Luke, thanks for signing up. Hey Jack." And now what you want to do is just go grab your Post-it notes. So I'm going to grab one here, and I want to make sure that I know where it's going to be printed. You can see through the paper and how it's going to be printed. And so you want to do this for all of these until you have something that looks like that, okay? And so now what we'll do, I'm going to go to my printer here, and I'm going to open this up, and I need to figure out how this actually prints, right? Do I need to stick the paper up like this? Do I need to turn it like that? Do I need to flip it like this? Do I need to flip it, back? How do I figure that out? And so what you can do is, here's one of the printed papers. What you can do is just simply type on here, or put on here, top right. So we'll just put TR, and so that will mark it. And so now we just simply want to test this out. So I'm going to put this back in. I'm going to put it top up like that. And I think it's going to be printing one more page. So let's see how this turns out. And then now we can figure out how do we put this into our printer. Okay. So this is the new one. So because we put this top right like that, we put it, how did we do it? We did it like this. Now what we want to do is we want to put it in like that. Okay? I think that's right. Let's see. Yeah, that should work. So I'll go back here. I'm going to go ahead and just print the current page and see how this turns out. Go back to the printer, and hopefully we should have our Post-it notes all printed up. And there it is. Pretty cool, huh? So that's how you do it. And now we can just simply sign this. We can stick it on our direct mail letter, and we're pretty much done. So hope you enjoyed it.